Hello heroes, Joe Smith here. Customer states, mower won't start, don't know why. Got a nice looking John Deere here, a few years old, probably several years old. Didn't try to look up the date code or anything, but you turn the key, it just clicks. Won't start. Let's take a look here. Okay, here's the air filter. Take a look at the oil. Yeah, between those two holes is where it should be, and you can see where it is and how it looks. It's like molasses, chocolate syrup or something. Let's see. Oh, hey, guess what? Engine seals. Never changed the air filter. They never changed the oil. They ran out of oil. Probably got dust in the engine from the dirty air filter or choking it out and just blew the fucking engine. So yeah. Never change the oil, never change the air filter, and it'll never run again. Thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out.